Welcome to Mommy's Toy Review. Today I'm here with my daughter Swastika and Sanvika to review a beautiful little craft toy for your daughter. Here it goes. It's called Aquabeads. As the name says, there comes a lot of beads inside. What do you see here?
It comes with a pin that you fill this pin up with beads and you make cute little animals.
It also comes with a template if you can do it right.
Let's unbox it and see what's inside.
Wow! That's amazing, isn't it?
What do you see inside? Is a big
Whoa. It comes with a box. It's like a separator.
A storage box where you can keep all the beads in it.
Now it also comes with some templates to put
Here.
to dry your stuff.
Wow, look at this cute little stuff.
It's a staff. I think you put
And
your.
here comes the. What is this?
I think that's the sprayer. After making the beads, then you put the spray, then after it dries, then it'll come just like one of these.
Wait a minute.
Whoa!
Let's see the number of. Oh, 24 colors. Wow. How do you do that? Take the beads and
fill in this staff. So there's a back compartment right here. You open it, spin it. Now then, I'm gonna take some white. I'm gonna take some yellows with me and fill it inside this because we have to. We have that right there. We fill it inside
With some pink beads. Come on.
pink beads.
because it's for kids of younger age, they can't handle these small little beads, so they have made this beautiful little injector kind of piece, so where they can inject the beads one by one and many colors one after the other.
Without it running around.
If you cannot do it with this, then you can actually do with the hand.
So there's a template. On it you put the beads. Here we have tried a few samples of it like this.
Yep, we have to try
And
it.
then
And some
once you're
flowers.
done, what do you do?
We put some water. Just take some simple water in this container. Then you're supposed to spray just a little bit. Don't put too much. And after it dries, you can take it out.
After it dries, you take it
Now
up
this
and
is
here
one
comes a
piece.
little shape.
And there's also ways to do 3D. You can also make 3D looking
Here is it. Small little shapes.
So now in this there are loads of things you can do, and yeah, that's it. And there's some instructions here also given where you can do 3D shapes.
Why is it so special? Let me tell you what it is made up of. You must be wondering, is it safe for my child? Yes, it is 100% safe for your child because it comes with small little beads which are made of very highly safe plastic material, which is made of edible. It's not called plastic, it's an edible material that even if a child chews it, it is safe. It's not going to harm the tummy of the child. So it's a very safe and beautiful toy. You know what it's going to teach your child? Patience. The child is going to sit in one place, take bead by bead and make a design. This is going to teach patience. Unlike normally the childs don't sit in one place, they keep running around here and there. So this is going to teach exactly what you want your child to learn, which is called patience. And I would seriously recommend for my younger little daughter who doesn't sit in one place, and I want her to sit in one place and do with her elder sister. So this is an absolute buy, and it is a very good thing to buy for your child.
And plus, it'll improve your crafting skills because you'll be able to make mini creatures, and you can use it as a decor in your rooms.
Yeah. Okay. Please go look for the brand Aquabeads in the leading toy shops in the market. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Mommy's Toy Review to get updates every week about new toy that's been coming to the market. Goodbye. Thank you guys.
See you. Bye.
Bye.